Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a time lapse on your DSLR. So the first thing you want to do is, if your DSLR is turned off, what you want to do is turn it on, like so. And then what you want to do right there is you want to head over to your settings right here in your DSLR by clicking menu right there. And now what you want to do is, you see you're on number 1 right there, and then you want to scroll all the way to number 5 if you're in the camera mode right there. Then you see right here, you see time lapse right here at the bottom right here. Click that and enable it like so. Now what you want to do right there is, you see enable right there, click that, and then you see right here you have intervals and all that. To change that, what you want to do is click details like so right there, and that is, it says enter hours, minutes, or seconds. I'm gonna enter seconds right here. I'm gonna click 6 right there for now, or you can change it right there by clicking the intervals of how much you want. Now number of shots is how much time it will take to shoot by taking the picture, almost like so. I'm gonna click 2 right there, and then it shows you right here at the bottom how much time it will take. Now click OK like so. Then you want to click back to the menu, and then this is right here, test and set exposure and all that. I'll show you how to do all that. Click OK. Now to start your time lapse, what you want to do is make sure your camera is on focus like so, and then what you want to do right here is click this start and shutter button at the same time. Your screen should be going black right here, right there. Your screen should be going black. Don't worry about this, just let your camera DSLR do its thing like so. Just let it be on time lapse. Now just wait for your time lapse to be done, because your screen right here will not be black when your time lapse is done right here. You will know that it works because your DSLR right here at the top right here, you will know that your DSLR is doing time lapse, because right here at the top, I don't know if you can see it, but right here at the top you should see the numbers blinking right here at the top of your viewfinder right here for settings. You should see your little numbers blinking right there. That means that it's doing its thing. It's doing time lapse right there. Now just let the DSLR do its thing until the time lapse is done, like so. Now if you want to end your time lapse right here, what you want to do is click this stop and start button right here. Click that button right there to finish it, like so. And then your screen will not be black anymore. I'll show you the time lapse video I took right here. It's not going to be that long, you see? You see? Right there, it's not that long. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to do a DSLR time lapse, like so. The next video I do is going to be on how to do time lapse on your smartphone.